Hey guys, today's a pretty special day. While I was down getting the dyno, we had a stranger come over and offer to give me a free car, which I couldn't say no. And check this out. She is beautiful. I mean, how could you say no to this? Still starts and runs. The man said it comes with a free aquatic tank in the front there, which is just water on the floor, full of some vines and weeds. But she's a goer, she's a goer. What do I even do with this? Today's video is maximum weight reduction day. All the panels, doors and roof and everything's going to come off. We're going to try and get this down to about 500 kilos. I'm going to save that for your Starlet. So I reckon we rip all the bars off, all the air conditioning off, everything that doesn't need to hold the car together can come apart, go in the bin. Going to take all the glass out, all the interior, all the carpet. And I've gone and bought these bathroom scales so we can put one under each wheel and see exactly how much weight is left in the vehicle. Hey Peter, come here for a sec. Just need you to open that door.
Son?
Yeah. May as well see how much this door weighs. So that's me just holding it, so what do we got there? 15 kilos.
Yep, 16 kilos.
Still a good bar, we'll keep that.
Yeah, keep that.
Alright, lift that door up. The front door, Peter, this one. Sit it gently on it, because it might the scales up.
25 kilos.
24. Minus all the leaves and shit that's in there, so alright, we'll go 24 kilos of front door. Cool, we've got to go and take all these front guards off now. So it's going to be way too hard to measure everything individually, so we'll put everything into a milk crate and then just measure it all at once. This hatch is a bit of a letdown, it's got no glass in it, so it's not going to weigh as much.
How much did you reckon the glass is going to weigh?
I'd say at least like 10 kilos.
Look at all the fucking holes on that side.
What do we get there? 15 kilos with no glass, so we'll go with 25. So we're already at 125 kilos lighter. No boot, no doors, no bonnet, guards.
Pretty much all the panels.
Yep, so once the roof comes off, that has to be at least another 60, at least 60 kilos I reckon. Better with all the leaves and that gone.
Should build before and after.
Wicked, dash coming out. Wicked, whole dash is out. Aircon's gone. Spiders under the car.
Hey, some fire.
What?
That.
No, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah.
Alright, go lift her up. Stop. Imagine that. Starlet SUV.
Push it out.
Yeah, I'll move this stuff behind though. The wheel.
If anyone wants a roof, Starlet roof for sale, there it is. $100.
Now we'll put these bathroom scales under each wheel. Can you put the handbrake on? So we've got that one on 0. Yep. Alright, we've got that one on 0. Alright, slowly release it. Don't drop it on there because these are in the $9. Alright, so 96 kilos. Ah. 96 kilos plus 77.
How does that make any sense in what world?
I don't know, so there's like 180 kilos over the back wheels.
Oh, the exhaust. That's on that side.
Oh yeah, okay.
That would make sense.
What about if I put my leg up here? Oh, she's sensitive. Stay on this side because this is the heavier side. Slowly release it, I'll tell you when to stop. This is going to blow out big time. We got 130 kilos. 130, 140, 150, 55. Is that it?
Yep, that's it. This is 90.
Yeah, well the gearbox on this side will be lighter. It's because the engine's heavier on the driver's side.
Wow. Okay, so how much do they all add up to?
Alright.
So that's 100 and we still got the exhaust to take out. What else? We can still take the aircon compressor out, exhaust, these, a bit of this, the wheel well.
The exhaust has to weigh like 30 kilos.
It's probably half its weight now. Because the standard style weighs 900 kilos, around there. Yeah, so we've still got a lot to pull out. And these.
Sound deadening mats, like these, are going to get taken right back. I shouldn't have cut the exhaust off it.
Why?
It's way too loud.
So?
It's funny as like you hit the accelerator, it's punchy as.
I saw you like rev banging it over here. Too slippery.
If you just touch the brake, the back wheels just lock up.
Oh yeah, this wheel locked up and it's like smoking.
So I think we might actually have to disarm the back brakes so they don't work.
Why?
Use handbrake for back, but I think the foot pedal should be front only. Alright, gone and got some dry ice. Put that cup on the ground. Feel that?
Wow, it's cold.
Cool, so we put this on the sand deadener and then apparently we can just knock it off. That's so good. Yeah, you can leave it on there for ages.
I reckon if you leave it on there for...
Well, we're out of dry ice and we've ripped up all the sand deadener off the floor. There's a huge pile of stuff here. So we're going to break this up into another episode, so we'll finish it off today. So now we want to see in the next episode if this, with all the weight reduction, can beat the GT in a race.